I think the fundamental concern of this administration is the communications aspect. The way that they communicate programs. To be fair, maraming ginagawa naman din ng administrasyon. However, minsan kasi pag nagpapapress con sila, ang automatic, pagka kinriticize sila, babalikan din nila kaagad yung nag-criticize sa kanila. So, it become very reactive. So, ang nangyayari, talagang nagbabanggaan. And then, you look at the sentiments of the Filipino right now, nauumay na sa sobrang politika. And at the same time, yung mga negative na nangyayari, all attributed to the administration. It seems na parang ang perception nila walang ginagawa or hindi masyadong ramdam. And kung meron man, ang ifo-front load is ayuda. Yun yung nakakalungkot kasi wala kang nakikita or binibigyan nila ng pronouncement that this is the long term.
Yeah.
This is something that we institutionalize in this administration to ensure that yung sa mga susunod na panahon, hindi na siya mangyayari. Pero ang gagawin, magdadagdag ng panibagong pondo, magre-release ng ganito to augment or whatever it is na dapat nilang dagdagan para magbigay ng ayuda sa ating mga kababayan.
If I may answer your question, Ma'am Angela, no? I think yung mga sinabi mo, mga political exercises, the Senate leadership issue, and the impeachment trial, all of these things are taking up a huge chunk of our legislators' time. And we cannot say na, well, hands off naman dyan ang Malacanang. Because they're all part of
reality.
this. Yeah, in reality. Of course, they do talk to each other and they strategize. Because we're talking about the future, elections in 2028, and the present as well, the survival of the administration. So I think that all these political activities are really consuming a huge chunk of the administration's time. Distracted sila, so yung mga priority measures sana hindi nila nabibigyan ng panahon. Lalo na nung height yung Senate flicks. Wala akong naririnig ng mga committee hearings mga committee, wala. So I don't think that they were productive at that time. In fact, compared to the other chamber, mas napupuri pa yung House of Representatives
Congress.
na mas efficient and mas productive. For example, in the case of the anti-dynasty bill, insofar as the House is concerned, it has already reached a more advanced stage. Unlike in the Senate na hindi na natin
Plus
alam.
FOI bill din.
Yes, that's right.